brochure that comes with the Allure Beauty Box. I guess the theme for this box is Easy Does It. The note from the current editor, as well as what may already be in here. So I'm gonna put on my reading glasses so we can just get right into it. There we go. What else do we have? Should I do it in any particular order? Let's try that. The first thing I have in here is this lovely yellow tube, and this is from Apakah. I will put this pronunciation here. 0.6 Pro Retinol Repair and Renew Waterless Advanced Treatment. Wow. So this is a new treatment. I think that Allure subscribers are the first to be trying out this particular product. Believe it or not, it says here that we're getting the full size tube, which is a $48 value. This is $48, and this is supposed to be full size. How many ounces is that? It's 30 ml, which is one fluid ounce. It's pretty pricey for something this small, but this is supposedly full size, and it has that little, looks like something that will probably promote the distribution. Where does this go? To make your skin smoother, brighter, and clearer, dermatologists love retinol. It's best applied at night. To start, smooth 3 or 4 drops over skin a few times a week. Work your way up to every night over the course of a month. Then you can top this formula with a hydrating serum and or moisturizer, but avoid layering it with products that contain acids like salicylic, glycolic, or lactic, which risk activating its vitamin C or causing irritation when paired with its retinol. So again, this is $48. You can go to the company website. All right, next in the box is called something like Kaya Beauty Bento Bouncing Eyeshadow Trio in Chocolate Dahlia. Interesting. It says, for a glam look on the quick, use a brush to blend brown sugar, the matte chocolate, through your creases and cool kaki, the matte tan, over your lids. Then dust crushed pearl at the inner corner for a reflective rose gold highlight that makes this so much cooler than the average smoky eye. This little thing goes for $21 US. So I'm gonna see how it looks. I don't know if I have anything from Kaya Beauty. But it's interesting. Bento Bouncy Eyeshadow. Let me see if I can pull this out so I can show you real quick what it looks like, right? Okay. Oh, it comes like a bento box. Okay, so it has like these layers. This is so cool. And it has, okay, so it seals it up a little bit so you can't open it. You know, it won't spill all over the place. So I'll take this little protective shield off. And look at that, it has a little mirror. And it has the shimmer, that champagne shimmer. And it has, oh, wait a minute, something just flew out. What was that? I don't know. Something flew out. I'm not sure what. There we go. So there's the champagne. There's the, I think this is supposed to be the khaki, although khaki to me is usually green, not a brown. And, oh, then there's this one. Oh, these are like these little protective thingies, but here's the last shade. So let me just, oh, it's very smooth, like a dream. And I thought it would have a scent, but I don't believe it does. Again, very smooth application. Wow. The shimmer is a little bit textured. So, ooh. All right. Very cute, very portable. Nice. And that's how they look on the hand. That shimmer is everything. Basic colors, but you can get a smoky look, a daytime look. I like it. Again, the brand name is Kaya. Very nice indeed. Oh, okay. I've heard of this brand. I believe I've had other products. I've gotten other products from this brand before. This is Wish. I don't know if you could see that. Can you see that? There we go. This is the Wish Pink Champagne Lip Balm. Ooh, you can apply it before bed for softer lips in the morning, but the shine from this balm is too pretty to use only at bedtime. Swipe it on during the day for a fresh, healthy look that pairs well with no makeup or full beat. This is $20. Oh. Okay. Oh, and it has like a little thing there. Oh, it's goopy. It's clear, so I'm just gonna put it on here. So you can see, you see that? It's kind of clear. It has a scent, almost like a fruity scent. So if you're not into any fragrance, this may not be for you. And yeah. Any lip balms or anything to do to help moisturize the skin, whether it be on the mouth or anywhere in the, I welcome it. But yeah, this definitely has a fruity smell. Wow, lo and behold, I got something from Nature Lab, and this is their Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. Divide your hair into 2 sections, pulling each forward over your shoulders as you rake this light foam through the lengths and ends. This ensures you'll cover hard to reach areas in the back, run what's left on your hands over your roots, blow dry or air dry, and bask in the shine. So it provides shine to the hair too. I love it. And the retail price for this is $16. I'm not sure if this is full size. This may be a sample size. What's the, I don't see it here. So maybe this could be like a deluxe sample size, but I will leave the information somewhere in this area. The product I have here is a face cleanser from none other than First Aid Beauty, and this is their Pure Skin Face Cleanser. How you use this? You'll use this every single night, it reads. When you find a cleanser you love as much as this one, trust us, you'll never again come up with excuses to prioritize your bed over your cleansing routine. And this goes for $34 for 8 ounces. This is like a deluxe sample size. This is 2 ounces with 56.7 grams. So the 8 ounce size is $34. And for this being only 2 ounces, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice size. Oh, it does have a protective cover, which I like. You see that there. I will remove that if I can. Yes. I'll put a little there. Wait, maybe I should put this cap back on so I'll make a hot mess. Ooh. That came out like kind of. And that's it there. It feels very creamy on the liquidy side. But again, it's a cleanser. And it does smell like, ooh, it has a familiar scent, this cleanser. It smells like, I don't know if it's a typical cleanser smell, but it's definitely something I've smelled before in other cleansers. It's not overly perfumey, but if you're not into any kind of scent or fragrance, this may not be for you. But it took off my makeup just fine. And that was without water. Right. Last but certainly not least, there was an option that some of us may have gotten, the top one or the bottom one. Dr. Jart's the top one, and then the other option was the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I received the Dr. Jart. You can see that there. Can you see it? Great. And this is the Ceramidin Cream. What does this do? The Ceramidin line uses a blend of ceramides, which do a great job preventing precious moisture from escaping the skin. Okay. This cream also contains botanical extracts like artichoke to help smooth fine lines. Who would have thought? Artichoke? How you use it. Spread it over your skin in the morning to keep your moisture barrier shored up and ready to protect your skin from irritation all day long. For the full size, which this isn't the full size, but for the full size, which it doesn't indicate what the ounces are, but again, the full size price, $48 US, which you could get at their website. And that, my friends, is it. So I have skincare as far as a cleanser and a moisturizer. I have something that's also part of skincare for my lips to keep them nice and moisturized and protected. I also have a retinol, which apparently is very new. Can't wait to try that and give an assessment. And then also an eyeshadow that comes in this cute compact little package, truly in a bento style box style. Overall, what do I think of what I received? I have to say I am delighted with what I got. It has a nice mixture of skincare, hair care, oh yeah, don't forget the hair care, and a little bit of makeup. I can't complain. I think this box is lovely. I will give the full price of the box somewhere here. Allure comes through again with their selections, and I think out of I'm familiar with all these products. The only product that I'm not really familiar with is Kaja, so I'm intrigued and can't wait. I will be reviewing this in a future video. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you subscribe to Allure Beauty Box? Let me know in the comments below what you think of Allure Beauty Box, and if you think it may be well worth the price. I will list the price somewhere here as to what it is at currently. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure with Allure Beauty Box, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care, stay safe.